Today we are going to dive deep into the enchanting world of butterfly gardens. Imagine being surrounded by a kaleidoscope of colorful, fluttering butterflies, each unique and mesmerizing in its own way. Are you ready to embark on this magical journey with me? Let's get started on creating your very own butterfly paradise. Why create a butterfly garden? Butterflies are not only beautiful creatures to behold, but they also play a crucial role in pollinating plants and contributing to our ecosystem. By creating a butterfly garden, you are not only attracting these graceful creatures, but also helping to sustain them and other important pollinators. Plus, who wouldn't want to have a stunning garden filled with vibrant flowers and lofty butterflies? Location and planning. The first step in creating a butterfly garden is selecting the perfect location. Butterflies thrive in sunny, sheltered spots with plenty of nectar-rich flowers to feed on. Choose an area in your yard that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight a day and is protected from strong winds. Next, sketch out a plan for your garden. Consider the type of flowers you want to include, the layout of the garden beds, and any additional features like rocks, water sources, and host plants for the caterpillars. Can't forget those. Choosing the right plants. Selecting the perfect plants to attract butterflies to your garden is an exciting and enjoyable task. Butterflies are naturally drawn to vibrant, sweet-smelling flowers with nectar-filled blossoms. Popular choices that are sure to catch their attention include butterfly bush, milkweed, coneflowers, zinnias, and lantanas. But let's not forget about some hidden gems like annual phlox, cosmos, impatiens, verbena, and many more. To ensure a constant food source for these beautiful creatures all year round, it's important to choose a variety of plants that bloom at different times. Don't forget to include host plants for caterpillars, like milkweed for monarch butterflies. By creating a diverse and colorful garden, you'll be sure to attract a wide array of butterflies and create a stunning display that will bring joy to both you and your fluttering visitors. A water source. Butterflies need more than just flowers to thrive in your garden. They also need a water source to drink from and swoop over. Create a simple butterfly bath by filling a shallow dish or saucer with water and adding a few rocks or pebbles for butterflies to land on while they drink. You can also incorporate a small pond or bird bath with sloping edges to provide a safe and accessible watering hole for your fluttering friends. To make your butterfly garden even more inviting, consider adding additional features like rocks, logs, and branches for butterflies to perch on and bask in the sun. These natural elements not only provide resting spots for butterflies, but also create a more naturalistic environment. You can also hang up a butterfly house or shelter to provide protection for butterflies during inclement weather and cold nights. Maintaining your butterfly garden. Once your butterfly garden is up and running, it's important to maintain it properly to ensure the health and happiness of your fluttering visitors. Keep an eye out for weeds that can crowd out your plants and compete for resources. Regularly deadhead your flowers to encourage new blooms and remove any diseased or damaged plant foliage. Water your garden as needed, making sure to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Encouraging butterflies to visit. To attract a diverse array of butterfly species to your garden, consider planting a mix of native and non-native flowers that cater to different tastes and preferences. Butterflies are also attracted to bright colors like red, yellow, orange, and purple. So be sure to include a variety of colorful blooms in your garden. You can also use scents like lavender, mint, and marigold to lure butterflies to your garden. Educating yourself and others. As you embark on this exciting journey of creating a butterfly garden, take the time to educate yourself and others about the importance of butterflies and their role in the ecosystem. Share your knowledge and passion with friends, family, and neighbors. Encourage them to create their own butterfly-friendly gardens. By spreading awareness and appreciation for butterflies, you can help conserve these delicate creatures for future generations to come. And there you have it, my fellow nature enthusiasts, a comprehensive guide on how to create a butterfly garden that will attract and delight these graceful creatures. By following these tips and tricks, you can transform your outdoor space into a vibrant sanctuary for butterflies to roam free and flourish. So roll up your sleeves, grab your gardening gloves, and let's get started on creating a beautiful butterfly garden. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy gardening!